What's your intro? What's your intro? All right, so we have one very beautiful question from the SAT right here. Do you think you can solve this? As a math done, do you think you can solve it? Now, the SAT questions are really not that difficult. For you to have that perfect score, you need to do is constant solving, constant, just keep dissolving the different SAT question. I tell you, you can hit that 800. And you know what it means when you have that score? It gives you a scholarship to the university of your choice. And if this is your first time of coming across my video, please hit the subscribe button because our objective here is to solve as many SAT questions as possible. Are we there? All right, so let's quickly look at this one. You see there are 28 tables for customers at Mercury restaurant. 28 tables. Please take note in this particular question. You see, when all the tables are full, there will be 90 customers in the restaurant. Wow. How many two-seat tables are at the restaurant? Okay, so this question will lead us to a set of linear simultaneous equation. Are we there? So what we are going to do is to represent this variable. So let's say that what we are going to say, let's say the two-seed variable should be x, two-seed variable. So two-seed variable is x, and a four-seed, four-seed variable should be what? Y. Do you understand? So this is two-seed variable, and this is what? Four-seed what? Variable. Are we there? Now the first statement says that now there are 28 tables. Okay, so there are 28 tables, it means therefore that a two-seat table plus what? A four-seat table is equals to what? 28. That's what right here is equals to what? 28. This is just how you interpret this. It's very simple, it's not hard. Then again, the next, so that is for the first one. The second statement say the two-seat table, four-seat table, that if the restaurant is filled up, there will be 90 customers. What that means is that if two-seat table, that is, we call that what? 2x plus a four-seat table, that is what? 4y, that means four persons are sitting right there. The total number of persons will be equals to what? 90. Do you understand that? Is equals to what? 90. Do you understand that now? All right, so if we call the first one equation 1, and of course we call this what? Equation 2. You see that these are two sets of what a pair of what? Of simultaneous equations. So what we are going to do, remember the question is asking how many two-seat table are at the restaurant. So we are going to solve for s. So to do that, which is a two-set variable, what we are going to do is to make y the subject of the formula. So it means therefore that y is equals to, do you understand? So we make y the subject of the formula. That is going to be what? 28 minus what? Minus x. Do you understand that? So 28 minus x. I'm going to substitute the value of this y into my second equation. So what you have here will be what? 2x plus, so I will substitute that value. Then 4 was our y. From this first equation, our y is what? Is 28. 28 minus what? Minus x. Okay, and of course you put this in what? A parenthesis. So this will give you equals to what? 90. This will give equals to what? 90. The next thing is for you to do what? To expand this. So we have that 2x plus this. Now 4 times 28, that will give us what? 112. That will give us 112 minus 4 times this is going to give us what? Minus 4x. You understand that? That will give us what? Minus 4x. This will be equals to what? 90. Do you understand that? That will be what? 90. All right, so let's collect our like term. 2s minus 4s, that should give us what? Minus 2s. Do you agree with that? Then of course I am moving my 112 to the other side. This will be equals to what you have here? 90, is it not? So 90 minus 112. Do you grab that? And of course this should be equals to minus 22. That will be what? Minus 22. So here we are saying therefore that our s is equals to, do you have that? So minus 22 minus 22 divided by minus 2. What do you have there? Of course, this will go in there, and this minus cancel minus is plus. So this is going to give you what? 11. Do you understand that? So it means therefore that in this Mesa Grill restaurant, there are 11 two-seater tables at that restaurant. So the correct answer to this question is what? Is A. It's really very simple. It's not hard. When you see questions like this, you just put them in what? In simultaneous or linear simultaneous format. You can see the interpretation for the first one. If you are using, you can use any variable. You can use S, you can use P or Q or whatever that you want to use, but just define your term. Looking at it, you have that 28 tables. So if there are 28 tables, if S is a two-seater table and Y is a four-seat table, so S plus Y will give us what? 28. Do you understand? And of course, if the restaurant is filled to its capacity, it means therefore that 2C table, that is 2S plus 4Y equals to 90. You solved it to, of course, this is what you are going to have. So you see that is really very simple. If this is what you got from pausing the video and solving before me, bravo, please keep it up. What we want is 800 over 800 in the SAT math. If you have any question on this, please drop your comment, drop your question. If there's any SAT question you find difficult and you want us to solve together, please drop it right there. I would thank you very much. See you soon.